Buen dia a todos! I'm Jessa Cayadong, Bachelor of Science and Information Technology 3A. A key ingredients to both speaking and understanding Spanish is pronunciation. Today, I am going to talk about the pronunciation of an alphabet in Spanish language. The Alphabeto. Vamos a empezar. A reminder that just like an English alphabet, there are differences of an accent and pronunciation. Here, we will take a look at the entire Spanish alphabet. Unlike the English alphabet, there are 30 letters in the traditional Spanish alphabet. There are 4 additional consonants we do not have in English, but in an official Spanish alphabet, they have been removed. Today, I will be using the traditional Spanish alphabet. Repita después de mí. A, B, C, Ch, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, R, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's all for this subject, foreign language. Thank you for watching. Adios!